Gonna need a rock star here, like that. So I sold it, popped up, got just a tad better fill. So you notice we got the nice big up push. Oh, +5 by the way. Nice big up push. Speed tick, pullback alert, ricochet, continuing up. We didn't have a trade here because all we had was a high of the day. So that wasn't a speed tick trade. So we had the next setup potential and we're pushing up, speed tick, overbought, pullback alert. Now we can take a Rockstar or naked Rockstar trade here. So we shorted it here, but it also backed up a couple of ticks. So if you were nimble on your order placement, you might have gotten filled up in here. And then of course down it goes, +5.